Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Victor Baba Emmanuel Aligo, and welcome to Nuts and Balls. And today we have an interesting topic lined up for you. Today we want to talk about individual social responsibility. Individual social responsibility, ISR. I know we all know of CSR, which is corporate social responsibility, social activities that great companies engage into as a form of giving back to the society, but more importantly, as a way of marketing their products or marketing their reputation, and so on and so to put. So individual social responsibility, just as the word sounds, responsibility. And I think before we've talked about responsibility, which is the art and the science of responding to an ability that is inherently in us. And today we want to talk about individual social responsibility as a tool of attracting resources, as a magnet of attracting resources in a selfish generation where everyone thinks about himself, everyone thinks about what's in for me. Responsibility becomes something that we want to delegate to people. It's something that no one wants to hear or wants to talk about. So in a generation like ours, if you want to attract resources, if you want to appeal resources, you've got to be responsible, because resources follow functions and responsibilities. So one important way of attracting resources to ourselves is by being responsible. Thank you so much.